Neil Patrick Harris, black magic drink, his own recipe. It's stuck. The straw is useless.
We need to be heading back to
Oh. That has some interesting taste to it. That old black magic. It's good. It's got liquid smoke in it. It definitely, you can taste the liquid smoke. It's not bad.
As for this legend, wait for it, dairy drink. It wasn't $22. This would probably be in every time we come here thing. 4 to 5 plus.
There was one,
and I got a mule.
the Haunted Mansion where we got the Dylan's party.
Mulelicious.
We drove down back out.
Let me get this disgusting ginger beer out of the way first. It's pretty at least. I know how you drink these things. 1.5 out of 5 plus.